Hello, once again welcome to Mathline channel. In this channel you will be getting a basic maths lesson every week. Those who have not watched the previous lessons, please watch from the beginning and continue watching for better understanding. So we will start today's lesson, that is the continuation of last lesson, that is solving equations in one variable. Today we will solve more complicated equations. Last class you have solved very simple equation by the property of equality, using the property of equality. Here also by the same way we have to solve. So the first equation is 2x plus 3 equal to 5 minus 2x. Here you can see the variable on both the sides. Here in RHS minus 2x is there, in LHS 2x is there. And numerals also on both the sides. LHS plus 3 and RHS plus 5. So what is our aim? We have to get only variable in LHS and all the numerals in RHS. So this we have to do by using the property of equality without changing the value of the equation. So whenever x or the variable is there in RHS, you have to cancel that. So same operation you have to do in LHS also. So minus 2x is cancelled by plus 2x. So you have to add 2x on both the sides of the equation. Clear? Y plus 2x, we have to cancel the variable without changing the value of the equation. So whenever you add plus 2x in LHS also, you have to add. So adding 2x to both the sides. That is the second step. 2x plus 3 plus 2x equal to 5 minus 2x plus 2x. Minus 2x, 2x cancel, or 2x minus 2x is 0. So in RHS only 5 is there. Here that 2x is added. 2x plus 2x is 4x plus 3 equal to 5. Again you have to take the numeral in LHS to RHS. Here plus 3 is cancelled by minus 3. So what is the next step? Subtracting 3 from both the sides. That is 4x plus 3 minus 3 equal to 5 minus 3. Equal, that is 5 minus 3 is 2. 4x equal to 2. 3 minus 3, 0. In this way, one by one you have to do. First we remove 2x to LHS, then we move plus 3 to RHS. Now 4x equal to 2. 4 you have to take to RHS, or you have to cancel 4 here. Your multiplication. Multiplication is cancelled by division. So dividing both the sides by 4. 4x upon 4 equal to 2 upon 4. 4 upon 4, 1. 1x equal to 1 upon 2. Simplified form of 2 upon 4. So the answer is x is equal to 1 upon 2. Another example, x plus 2 upon 7 equal to 3. Here bracket see, this upon 7 is for x plus 2. So here you cannot take 2 plus 2. You cannot cancel plus 2 first. You have to cancel plus 7. That is divided by 7. You have to do first. So first you have to cancel divided by 7. So divided by 7 is cancelled by multiplying by 7. So you have to multiply by 7 on both the sides of the equation. That is x plus 2 upon 7 into 7. Same multiplication you have to do. 3 into 7. So x plus 2 equal to 3 sevens are 21. After that you have to cancel plus 2. That is x plus 2 minus 2 equal to 21 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 cancel. X is equal to 21 minus 2 19. In this way one by one we have to cancel. So the only thing that variable you have to keep in LHS and all the numerals you have to keep in RHS. Another example, see here, 2 into x plus 3 equal to 8. So here also 2 multiplied by, that multiplication you have to cancel first. Multiplication is cancelled by division. 2 into x plus 3 upon 2 equal to 8 upon 2. Dividing 2 by both the sides. 2 and 2 cancel, or 2 divided by 2 is 1. X plus 3 equal to 4. Then we have to cancel plus 3. Plus 3 is cancelled by minus 3. Addition by subtraction. So subtracting 3 from both the sides. X plus 3 minus 3 equal to 4 minus 3. 3 minus 3, 0. X is equal to 1. So this is the way of solving equation. You have to do one by one. Clear? Now, what it means actually. See here, how you got this step. See here, 4x plus 3 equal to 5. What we have done? Minus 2x came to LHS, become 2x plus 2x, 4x. So 2x plus 3 equal to 5 minus 2x is same as 4x plus 3 equal to 5 by using the property of equality. But here you can get directly answer. From this we can generalize another rule, another shortcut. What is that? By property of equality only we are getting this. Whenever the term change the side, addition becomes subtraction, subtraction become addition, multiplication become division, and division become multiplication. So directly we can take the term to LHS by changing the sign. Clear? So that is obtained by the property of equality only. So same sum, how we will solve like that. See here, 2x plus 3 equal to 5 minus 2x. We have to take the variable to LHS. So minus 2x become plus 2x. So how you can get the next step? And plus 3 to RHS, so plus 3 become minus 3. So remember this shortcut rule. That is generalized from the property of equality only. So next step you can write as 2x plus 2x. How this 2x came? Minus 2x we have taken to LHS equal to 5 minus 3. How this minus 3 came? Plus 3 we have taken to RHS. Addition become subtraction. So we got the answer. 2x plus 2x is 4x. 4x equal to 2. Now the division is cancelled by multiplication, or multiplication is cancelled by division. So whenever 4 taken to RHS, here 4 multiplied by or x multiplied by. So here it become division. So we can directly write it as x is equal to 2 upon 4. It become upon 4. Multiplication become division when it changes the sign. It goes to RHS. So 4x equal to 2 or x is equal to 2 divided by 4 or 1 upon 2. In this way also you can do. Remember the rule. Addition becomes subtraction, subtraction become addition, multiplication become division, and division become multiplication when the terms are changing the sides. That is LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS. And the other example, this x plus 2 upon 7 equal to 3, the same sum. So here divided by 7, when it taken to RHS, it is multiplied. So we can write it as x plus 2 equal to 3 into 7. When it goes to RHS, here upon 7, so into 7. Or x plus 2 equal to 21. Or x equal to 21 minus 2. Plus 2 become minus 2. And x is equal to 90. And the other sum, 2 into x plus 3 equal to 8. This same sum. So first we will take 2 into, then it become upon. So x plus 3 equal to 8 upon 2 equal to 4. Or x is equal to 4 minus 3, plus 3 become minus 3. 4 minus 3 or x is equal to 1. In this way easily we can get once you understood how it is solved using property of equality. That is the basic rule, but we got the generalized rule, shortcut rule from that. So remember that when the terms changing the side, the operation become opposite. Addition become subtraction, subtraction become addition, multiplication become division, and division become multiplication. And also remember, all the variable in RHS bring to LHS, and all the numerals in LHS brings to RHS. We should get the equation in the form x equal to, because we have to find the value of x. That is meant by solving equation. In this way, very complicated equations we can solve easily. Understood? So practice solving this type of sums both by property of equality, also by the shortcut rule derived from property of equality. Understood? So that is the end of today's lesson. Please share, forward, also subscribe the channel. See you next week with a new topic. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Thank you.